invite Excellency Dy Khamboly, Deputy Director General of Policy and Planning of the Ministry of Education.
Madam Vice President and esteemed Member States, Excellency Head of Delegation, Excellency ladies and gentlemen. Today I have the honor to attend the 46th session of the Universal Periodic Review Working Group and to present some of the recent significant development regarding the education sector in Cambodia in response to some of the comments raised by the esteemed Member State. Recognizing education as a fundamental right and a catalyst for progress and in line with the UN Global Agenda SDG 4, the Royal Government of Cambodia remains consistently committed to inclusive and equitable quality education and lifelong learning for all. This strategic policy has been translated into the education strategic plan, ensuring that all legal residents in Cambodia have access to education institutions of their choices. The right to education is also stipulated in the Constitution of the Kingdom of Cambodia, guaranteeing free education to at least grade 9, whereas in practice, education in Cambodia from pre-primary to upper secondary K-12 is free of charge. The 7th mandate of the government has drawn close attention to improving the quality of education by introducing key measures, including the implementation of 8 priorities by the Ministry of Education as follows: strengthening school governance, reviewing and revising curricula and extracurricular activities in accordance with the need to strengthen student knowledge, discipline, ethics, and behavior. Improving student health through child nutrition programs and food quality control in school. Encouraging the participation of parents, guardians, and the community in education with the State Community Partnership for Education, digital education, establishment of Center of Excellence in Higher Education, system building and capacity development, and development of physical education and sport. The Ministry of Education has demonstrated progress in reforming teacher training institutions, and in order to improve the quality of education, the Ministry implements new teaching methods for secondary education in line with the PISA assessment program, especially by integrating 21st century knowledge and skill, critical thinking skill, and problem-solving skill into the education system, and implementing early grade reading and early grade mathematics at the primary level. The Ministry also promotes digital education and e-learning platform and introduced teacher-trainer career paths. From 2018 to 2023, the Ministry has constructed 503 new school buildings and renovated 438 school buildings, with the Ministry budget and also budget from development partners like the World Bank, Asian Development Bank, EU, and China. As of December 2023, the Royal Government of Cambodia has constructed 4,545 buildings. The government also provides complementary assistance catering to the needs of population, including teacher accommodations, student dorm, school directorate, libraries, toilets, and sanitation facilities. The campaign of Clean School within the framework of the School Without Litter is to promote the well-being, sanitation, and hygiene of educators and students, while actively participating in maintaining a green school environment through education by focusing on waste storage, waste sorting, waste recycling, biodiversity conservation, and sustainable development, as well as cultivating a love for the environment to ensure students have access to adequate water and sanitation facility, clean classroom, clean school, and clean communities. In the academic year 2023-2024, according to the core breakthrough indicators, female students perform better than male students at all levels from preschool to upper secondary school. The result illustrates the special attention provided to female education in Cambodia. The Ministry of Education has provided training courses to teacher trainers on the prevention of online child exploitation, sexual abuses, and sexual transmitted disease such as HIV/AIDS. The Royal Government has taken concrete steps in integrating sexual orientation, gender identity, gender expression, and sexual characteristics into the curriculum for students at their appropriate age to combat discrimination. The right to education of LGBT has been integrated into the curriculum of grade 5 to 12, the lesson of which has been widely disseminated via Ministry social media and other digital platforms. The ministry has so far trained 8,000 teachers on the rights to education of the LGBT. Madam Vice President, further progress is exemplified by the Ministry of Education implementation of multilingual education program in 96 schools in 18 districts in remote provinces of the kingdom, including Ratanakiri, Mandolkiri, Kreceh, and Steng Train provinces. By focusing on equitable and inclusive access to education, children with disability from ethnic minority and children living in rural and urban disadvantaged areas are identified among the priority groups. The Ministry of Education established the National Institute of Special Education and Department of Special Education and developed policy on the education children with disability, inclusive education policy, reference documents for special education teachers, and supporting documents to identify children with disability. Once again, I would like to convey my deep thanks to Madam Vice President, the opportunity to represent reform and development in the education sector. I now return the floor back to Agency Chair.